Hello, and welcome to this video. This is Unit 2, Section 5, Zeros of Functions. Now, I am on the first page. This is 1 through 12. Okay, so yeah, 12 might seem like a lot, but I promise this is not. This is really easy. At least I hope it can be easy. What is that? Okay, I don't know. Ignore me. Okay. So we are on the first page. So the directions say identify the zeros of the function. Because there's more than one function. My bad. Forgot the S. Anyways, so all we have to do is find the zeros. Now, the zeros of the function are simply where the line crosses the x-axis. Okay? So if you want to trace the line, it crosses right there. Okay? So I am looking at only the numbers on the x-axis, so don't go up or down. It's always left and right. Well, since it's right in the middle, that's actually 0. Okay? So the way I would write this is I would write my x, which is 0, comma, and then always 0 second. So no matter what, my second number is always 0, because I don't go up or down ever to find the 0. That's why it's called that. Okay? So identify the zeros, and number 1 is done. Look at that. Off to a good start. Number 2. Okay, again, I just want to find where it's crossing this line right here, which is right there. So if we count, 1, 2, 3, 4, oh my gosh. Okay, the bell is too loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my x is 6 and my y is always 0. And that's it. I'm done. I like this. This is better than domain range, right? Or if domain and range was easy, then this is just easier. All right, number 3. I want the x-axis, which it crosses right here. That's negative 1, 2. Okay, so I do negative 2, comma, 0. And I'm done. See, I like this. This is a great homework assignment. Let's get more of these. Okay, number 4. I want to cross the x-axis, which is right here, and that is 2. So my x is 2, y is always 0, and I'm done. Man, this is amazing. I love it. Okay, this is going to be such a short homework assignment, at least the first page. 5, I want to cross x-axis, and it crosses right here, so that's negative 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have negative 4, comma 0, because it's always comma 0. Your y is always 0. You never go up or down. And that's the answer. Look at that. Moving right along. These are going to go quick. Cross the x-axis. I cross right here. That is negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So x is negative 6. Y is always 0. And I'm done. Man. I don't really have a whole lot to explain on these. You're just finding where it crosses the x-axis, which is the middle line horizontally. Oh, look at this. You might be thinking, okay, now, see, there's a trick. You got me right here. Why has it got to be harder? It's not. Cross my x-axis. Now, I have 1, 2. That just means I'm going to write 2 answers. It's like I'm doing 2 problems in one. Okay? So this one is negative 2. So I have negative 2, comma 0. That's my first one. And my other one is 2, positive. So 2, comma 0. And that's it. So if it crosses more than once, you just simply put all of them on there. That's it. There's nothing else to do. Okay? You can cross 15 times. You'd have to write 15 zeros, or 15 answers. No, we don't do that on here. That's far too many. Okay, so cross the x-axis. I cross here and here. So that is negative 1, 2, 3. That's a comma. Comma. Okay, there we go. And my other one is 1, 2, positive 3, always 0. And that's it. I'm just rolling through these. Kind of like Adele, rolling in the deep. Okay. X-axis. I cross here and here. negative 1, 2, 3, 4, comma 0, and 1, 2, 3, positive 4, comma 0. Sweet. Got it. All right. Number 10. Let's see, we're almost done. It's only been 5 minutes. I want to cross the x-axis. I cross here and here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 5, comma 0, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, comma 0. Now you might be wondering, is it always going to be the positive and negative of the same number? I'm glad you asked that question, because no, it is not. Look at number 11. I want to cross right here. I cross at this point and this point. Okay, so my first one, 2, 0. So I have 2, 0. My second one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0. So yes, that was a great question, and hopefully that has been answered. They're not always the same positive, negative, right? They can be just whatever, wherever it crosses, that's just what you put down. So I want to cross the x-axis. It crosses right in the middle, and it's really hard to tell on this one, but it does cross right at the end, or it would if it kept going. Okay, so the middle one is 0, comma 0, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, comma 0. And look at that. We have done 12 questions, found the zeros in every single one, and we are done in less than 7 minutes. That's less than a minute a question. Because again, I'm just finding where it crosses the horizontal x-axis. So that is it for this video. Go on to the next page.